Good morning, lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are hale and hearty. Children, you have learnt A to Z and sounds of the English alphabet. Now I am going to tell you about a very interesting style of writing, that is cursive writing. This style of writing is very interesting if we learn it step by step. Children, in this you will learn flowing way of writing and joining of letters. Okay? Let's start. Learning, have a fun with your finger and this chalk. I have written this with chalk. Now you have to move your finger starting from the dot, make a loop, go up, again come down with the curve, with the slant line you can go up, make a loop, do like this, come down with the curve. This is reminding me of a roller coaster ride. Children, I am enjoying doing it. Roller coaster ride, and this is it. Now again come to this. Start doing slant line up, come down with a straight line, move up with the slant line, again make a loop, come down, go up with the slant line, come down with the straight line, go up again. See, ma'am is not lifting the finger till the end. It's joining like I'm joining continuously. This is reminding me of a snake ride. Like snake moves in this manner. Oh wow, lovely. Yes, yay, complete. Okay, now come to the next. Slant line up, come down with the slant line, make a loop, slant line up, come down with another slant line, make a loop, continuously move your finger on the given pattern. This is reminding me of a straw in juice. Yes, I'm enjoying it. Have fun, children, moving your finger and learning these strokes. Open your book, page number 3. Pick up your pink color, children. I'm going to teach you how to write on the book. See, this dot is given. You have to start from here. While writing this cursive writing, you have to place your palm on the surface and only fingers will move. Let's have fun with the colors now. Move up, make a loop, go like this. Again make on the dotted lines, make a loop. See, ma'am's fingers are moving, nothing else. I have rested my palm on the book and only my fingers are moving ahead. Go up, come down, this roller coaster ride. Yes. Try once again. Slant line up, make a curve along with the loop, come down, make a curve, go up and complete the pattern. See how ma'am is moving nicely on the. Okay, now pick up your green color. Have fun with the green color. Start from the pink dot. Slant line down. Again slant line up. Make a loop. Come down. Go up. Do not lift your color. Continuously keep moving your color on the dots and turn them into a complete line. We are learning cursive stroke with the help of colors. Learning cursive strokes with the help of colors. Slant line up, come down, again move up, making a loop. Now pick up your brown color, start from the dot, go up, down, only move your color with the help of your fingers. Slant line up, come down, again up, and complete the pattern given. Okay, now you have to complete like this.